How to log in Netflix on phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into your Netflix on mobile device, whether it is iPhone or Android. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now search for Netflix. You want to have this application installed on your device. If you have not done that, tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, tap on the Netflix option. Now, if you are new to Netflix and you don't have an account, tap on the Get Started option. And from here, you can follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. If you already have an account and only want to log in, then tap on the Login option at the top right corner. Here, you will have to enter either your phone number or email address. Then you want to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option to retrieve your password. Once you have entered all the credentials, tap on the Sign In option, and if your details are correct, you will be signed into your account. If you do not want to download the application of Netflix, you can also open Netflix in a browser. Open up any web browser and then head over to Netflix. Then select this website, netflix.com. Here, tap on the sign in option, enter all of your credentials, and sign into your account. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.